manufacturing is a long-term investment. You're not going to get your returns fast. So you need to invest in the premises. You need to invest in land. Of course, you can start out by renting, but it will end up being very expensive. But so it's long-term, and so you need to have a long-term perspective to investment as you get into the manufacturing sector. The other issue that you need to consider is technology. What technology are you going to use and who will operate it? So if you're importing machinery, for instance, how will it be repaired? Because after you start business, if you don't have someone to maintain the machines or to repair the machines and things of this nature, then you can be held back a great deal. The next point is that you need to look at issues of compliance. You need an industrial license, I think, from the Ministry of Industry, and you need a couple of other certifications from the Uganda National Bureau of Standards, among others. So make sure that you comply, even with the regulations of Uganda Revenue Authority. Very, very important for a manufacturing entity. Finally, a manufacturing entity needs your time. You need to be there. There are businesses that you can do and supervise when you are away, but manufacturing is not one of them. You need to be there. You need to spend time. You need to understand the process. You need to see that people are meeting their targets and so on. It's only after the systems are well established that you can start taking time off.